Bakit?
Paano pag hindi?
Kasi binabalance ko po.
So this time, we are preparing our Noche Buena for this New Year's. So we will eat this time. Let's taste the rice cake of the Philippines. This is the rice cake version. May 2 cats.
Alam niyo po, pumunta po kayo doon.
Kasi lagi-lagi na lang kami pumupunta.
Ang reaction natin dito.
I think you can bring this home. If there's some.
Hindi, dyan naman siya.
Pati si Kay, nag-speechless.
So, welcoming service. So, we're waiting for the time to be at 12 o'clock. And we will start our worship. So part of our welcoming service is to choose our yearverse for this year 2025. So let's see what verse will be given to us. I will be choosing this one, this one, this one.